Cordless vacuums have come a long way, offering the convenience of cord-free cleaning without sacrificing performance. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best cordless vacuums of 2026, from budget-friendly everyday cleaners to premium models that rival traditional corded vacuums. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Shark Clean and Empty is the self-emptying cordless vacuum pick. The cleaning performance in lab testing was genuinely strong. 96% sand removal from hardwood, 90% from low-pile carpet, and 88% from mid-pile carpet, a 91% average across all surface types. That puts it within a few percentage points of the top performers on this list and meaningfully ahead of many competing cordless vacuums. The automatic brush roll speed adjustment handles flooring-type transitions without manual mode changes. The self-emptying dock is the headline feature. After every use, docking the vacuum triggers automatic emptying and charging simultaneously. No manual dustbin dumping, no cloud of dust in your face, no remembering to charge. The dock's bin holds up to 30 days of debris before requiring attention. The HEPA filtration in both the vacuum and dock captures dust, dirt, and allergens. The self-cleaning brush roll minimizes pet hair wrapping. At $350, the Clean and Empty delivers strong cleaning performance with genuine hands-off maintenance convenience. Number 7 is the Dyson Gen 5 Detect. Over 115% more power than previous generation Dyson cordless vacuums is the performance headline. Up to 70 minutes of runtime covers large homes in a single charge. The intelligent power adaptation, automatically adjusting based on debris and floor type detected, extends battery life by applying maximum power only where the surface demands it, rather than running at full output continuously. The improved illumination technology reveals microscopic dust and dirt on hard floors at twice the effectiveness of previous generation Dyson laser systems. The 2 advanced cleaner heads, fluffy optic for hard floors, and digital motor bar for all floor types with auto detangling, cover every flooring scenario. The whole machine HEPA filtration traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, including viruses. 4 included accessories plus built-in crevice and dusting tools handle above-floor cleaning. For Dyson loyalists who want the absolute top of the Dyson cordless lineup, the Gen 5 Detect is it. At number 6, the Levoit LV-AC300 earns its position through a combination of strong cleaning performance and the largest battery life among the mainstream picks on this list. The 75-minute battery life in our rundown test is the standout specification at this tier, second only to the Dream Z30 on this list. It matches or surpasses top picks, including the Shark Stratus at 85 minutes, and significantly outlasts the Dyson V15 Detect at 60 minutes and the Eureka ReactiSense 440 at 33 minutes. For larger homes where battery anxiety during a single cleaning session is a real limitation, the LV-AC300's runtime is a genuine differentiator. The 5-stage HEPA filter, anti-tangle brush roll for pet hair, LED brush head illumination, and LED display showing battery life and mode complete a well-designed package. At $350, it would be the best value pick if not for the existence of the cheaper and better-performing Eureka ReactiSense 440. For buyers who specifically need maximum battery life, it earns the 6th spot. Number 5 is the Dyson V15 Detect. The 230 air watts of suction power translated directly into lab performance. 88% sand removal from mid-pile carpet, 95% from low-pile carpet. The pet hair performance across hardwood and carpet barely left a tuft remaining. The 60-minute tested battery life puts it in the top tier of cordless vacuums on this list. The Laser Slim Fluffy Cleaner Head is the feature that made Dyson's reputation in this generation. A precisely angled green laser that illuminates dust and small debris on hard floor surfaces that would otherwise be invisible. It's most effective in lower light conditions, but consistently useful as a cleaning aid throughout testing. The particle readout on the back, showing the ratio of dirt collected by particle size, is an interesting data display that rewards the detail-oriented cleaner. The Dyson V15 Detect remains the benchmark for what a premium cordless vacuum should feel like to use. And for buyers who want that experience with strong lab-validated cleaning numbers, it delivers. At number 4, the Dyson Detect Submarine Vive 1.5S. The submarine wet roller head is the differentiating feature, a brushed attachment that wet mops hard flooring using water and floor cleaning solution. Think of it as a significantly more powerful Swiffer that's integrated into your existing vacuum. Combined with the standard digital motor bar cleaner head for dry vacuuming and the fluffy optic cleaner head that illuminates dust, the V15S comes with complete hard floor coverage from dry debris to liquid cleaning. The tested 41-minute battery life is shorter than Dyson's 60-minute estimate, but acceptable for a full-featured machine at this capability level. The user-replaceable battery is the design detail that extends the product's useful life significantly. When battery capacity degrades after years of use, replacement is possible rather than requiring full machine replacement. For households where hard floor wet cleaning is a regular need, the cost consolidates what would otherwise be two separate appliances. The bronze medal goes to the Smoch-Arrive AC01. The larger dustbin is the specific design advantage that keeps the Smocher from feeling like a compromise. Unlike many slim stick vacuums that require frequent emptying mid-session, the VAC01 allows vacuuming the house without stopping to empty it. That practical detail makes it more usable for full floor cleaning rather than just spot cleans. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry between floors. A tester specifically noted this as a meaningful convenience feature for multi-story homes. The easy setup and grab-and-go operation put cleaning initiation at a zero-friction threshold. No preparation required, just pick it up and start. For buyers who want a secondary vacuum for daily upkeep alongside a full-sized upright for deep cleaning, or for budget-conscious buyers who want a capable daily driver for standard residential floors, the Smocher VAC01 delivers genuine value. Number 2 is the Shark PowerDetect Cordless. The hinged wand is the standout ergonomic feature. It allows you to reach under furniture without bending over, which our lead tester described as genuinely back-saving over a full cleaning session. For users who regularly vacuum under sofas, beds, and low-clearance furniture, the physical difference between bending and not bending across an entire floor accumulates into real fatigue reduction. The cleaning performance across all floor types is strong. It handles daily messes and spot cleans effectively on hard floors and standard carpets. The honest limitations are the smaller onboard dustbin between empties and battery life that may require cleaning in segments for larger homes. For thick carpet deep cleaning, a full-sized upright remains the better choice. For busy households that prioritize ready-to-go convenience alongside strong all-floor performance, the Shark PowerDetect's combination of features earns it the number 2 spot on this list. And the best cordless vacuum of 2026 is the Eureka ReactiSense 440. At $180, the Eureka ReactiSense 440 is simultaneously the best-performing cordless vacuum we've tested and one of the most affordable on this list. The premium features justify the recommendation beyond the performance numbers alone. A HEPA filter captures fine particles that budget vacuums allow to recirculate. LED headlights illuminate dust and debris ahead of the brush head. Smart sensors detect flooring type automatically and adjust brush roller speed and suction accordingly. The same intelligent adaptation that Shark uses in the PowerDetect, applied here at a fraction of the price. The ReactiSense 440 was our best overall pick from the moment it entered testing, displacing the Shark Stratus that previously held the top position. Nothing we've tested since has displaced it. At $180 with lab-leading performance, premium features, and HEPA filtration, this is the cordless vacuum to buy. That's your complete ranked list, the 8 best cordless vacuums of 2026. All the links are in the description, updated regularly for current pricing. If this video helped you find the right vacuum, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already because we cover every major product category with this same depth. I'll see you in the next one.